Hi again, everyone. This is David again, and I've got another slide rule video. As promised, this one, I'll show you my method I found to find a decimal by estimation. As we saw in the previous video, the slide rule will give you 3 or 4 significant digits, depending on where in the rule it comes to. And it's up to you to use your mental estimation to figure out where the decimal point goes, because this doesn't do it. And it's basically this. What you're going to do is you're going to solve the problem to 3 or 4 significant digits, and then you're going to find the decimal by estimation to find the order of magnitude. In other words, about how big is it? And I'll show you what I mean. Here's the problem. 564 times 134 times 413 divided by 232 times 1745 comes to 771. I don't know if that's 771. I don't know if it's 7.71 or 0.771. I don't have a clue right now. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to estimate. What I do is I round using the normal rounding rules to 1 significant digit. So what? This problem can now be resolved or restated as 564 becomes 600, 134 becomes 100, 413 becomes 400. 232 becomes 200, 1,745 becomes 2,000. You can see now I'm just working with simple digits, and I'm not trying to find the actual answer for this. I'm trying to find the order of magnitude. So using this, I know that 6 times 1 times 4 is 24. And there are 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've done some math on here. And on the bottom, 2 times 2 is 4. And there are 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know that when I divide, I get rid of the zeros on the bottom and the same number on the top. So I end up with 240 divided by 4. 4 goes into 24 6 times with the 0 left over, so 60. The order of magnitude is 60. And now I have to use common sense to figure out, is 771, is that close to it? Is it 77 decimal 1? Is it 7 decimal 71? Well, pretty well no, it's 77.1. And that's what we come to. Now, if you use a calculator, you're going to find the answer is going to have a whole bunch of numerals afterwards. I think it's 77.09, etc., etc. Final point is, as I've learned in using the slide rule, by coming to 3 significant figures, if you're working a problem this big, that's a practical application, i.e., I'm trying to find out how many bushels of apples I need. And if I come up with 77.1, I know if I get 78, I'm going to be fine. I don't know how to find 0.1 of a bushel of an apple because, well, I guess I need a slide rule to figure that out. Ha! Anyway, so that's my method. And just to review, solve the problem to 3 or 4 digits, and then find the decimal by estimation of the order of magnitude. And here's an example. You have this number here, and all I've done is I've rounded to 1 significant digit to get a whole bunch of zeros. I could have rounded to 550, to 130, to 430, or 420, 410, I guess, 230 and 1750. But I just want to make it simple because I don't care about getting really close to this. I just want the order of magnitude. And as you can see here, the answer 60 tells me that it's 2 digits, decimal 1. Anyway, I hope this helped. If you're working with slide rules, and if not, maybe you can pick one up. As I said, this beauty was $25, and you can find all sorts of them online that have fewer than these. But as long as they have the C and the D scale, you can do multiplication and division. All right. I hope you enjoyed. Put any comments down below, and I'll see if I can come up with any answers for you. Take care.